Good afternoon, boys and girls. Before we get started with our review, first I want to wish Meredith a happy birthday. It is her birthday today. All right, and then today we had to read Save Your Paper, Help Earth, and answer some questions about it. So our first question is, what do your things become when you throw them away? If you look over at the story, it says that they become trash. So I circled the word trash for number 1. Number 2. Why is trash a problem? Again, over in our story, it says too much trash hurts our planet. So it hurts the earth when we have trash. It does smell bad, but that's not why it's a problem. Why do we need to cut down? What do we need to cut down to make new paper? Over in the article, it says we have to cut down more trees to make new paper. Grass doesn't make paper, but the trees make paper. What can we make out of recycled paper? Well, in our article, it told us that we could turn recycled paper into new paper. Right, so recycled paper doesn't go in the trash, it turns into new paper. What is the best thing to do with your paper after you use it? You should recycle it because then it can become new paper again instead of piling up in our trash can. What did you learn from Save Your Paper, Help Earth? Everyone might have a different answer from that. You might not have known that paper came from trees. You might not have known that throwing your trash away can hurt the planet. There's lots of different things you might not have known. And then down here you draw a picture of how recycling helps the earth. Then for math today, our problem set was working with the circles for our organization to count numbers. Remember, when you have circles, you either want to draw a line or lay something down so you don't forget where you started counting. So we should have had 14 hearts, 12 suns. Your line might not be in the same place as mine. You might have started over here. It doesn't matter where your line is or where you started as long as you got the right number. We have 15 moons and 18 lightning bolts. And hopefully we don't see any lightning later with this weather that we might be getting. On the other side, it was just a fluency practice, just practicing counting and writing your numbers. The first few they made easy because they were in 5 groups on this one. So there's 15 cats. We had a 10 group here and then 2 more, so that's 12 pairs of scissors. Again, for the bananas, we had 10 and 4, so that's 14. And the only one that was tricky was this one here because they put the ice cream cones in groups of 4. But there are 15 of those there. Tomorrow you will have your quiz on spring and your quiz on the math that we've done this week. And then you'll start your weekend. Have a great night.